One of the biggest questions we hear from investors is, how do I get my money back out? The good news is that with InvestEngine, withdrawing money is simple, flexible, and free. I'm Marianne, the Operations Director at InvestEngine, and in this video I'll walk you through exactly how to withdraw cash and what that process looks like across ISAs and SIPPs. Let's start with cash withdrawals. If you already have cash sitting in your portfolio, here's what to do. Open the portfolio, tap on Options, select Withdraw Cash. Enter the amount you'd like to withdraw, click Withdraw. Your money will usually be back in your nominated bank account within 2 working days. And don't worry, we don't charge a fee for withdrawals or for closing your account. What if your money is currently invested in ETFs? In that case, you'll need to sell before you withdraw. There are 2 ways to do this. Option 1, sell specific ETFs. Open your portfolio, select the ETF you want to sell, click Buy or Sell, then Sell. Enter the value you want to sell or choose Sell All. Review your order, then confirm. Option 2, sell by portfolio. Open your portfolio, go to Options, and select Sell Portfolio. Enter the amount or choose Sell All. Review the breakdown of which ETFs will be sold and confirm. When you use the Sell Portfolio method, the system automatically prioritised selling your most overweight ETFs first, keeping your portfolio balanced. All sales are executed in the next trading window, so you'll see the cash available to withdraw once the trades have settled. With a managed portfolio, we take care of selling down the investments for you. Once you make your withdrawal request, we sell down the relevant portion of your portfolio and transfer the cash to your bank account. The full process typically takes around 4 working days. But if your withdrawal takes your portfolio balance below £100, we will need to sell down the full portfolio, since the £100 is the minimum required balance. With an InvestEngine ISA, you can withdraw your money at any time with no fees. And because our ISA is flexible, you can take your money out and put it back in again within the same tax year without affecting your annual allowance. Withdrawals from a pension are different. The drawdown process starts at age 55, rising to 57 in 2028. InvestEngine SIPP is designed to help you build your pension pot over time, so you'll need to wait until you reach drawdown age. The first 25% of your pension can be taken tax-free, and the rest is taxed as income. If you are considering withdrawing from your pension, it's best to get advice from a tax or pension specialist first. I hope this video has helped you understand how to withdraw your money when you need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.